Well, this is National Crime Victims' Rights Week, and today federal, state, and local law enforcement came together to honor victims of crime. According to the Bureau of Justice Statistics, there were more than 4.6 million violent victimizations in 2021. 7 Action News reporter Whitney Burney has a closer look at the event, where the goal is to make sure victims' voices and experiences are amplified.
At the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice,
I remember probably 30 years ago, I was returning from lunch and a gentleman pulled out a sawed-off shotgun and took my purse.
victims turned victim advocates shared their stories.
He would choke me. He would do anything he could do without putting a bruise on me. And then one day he told me, he said, "You know what, Trina?" He said, "Your mom and your daddy ain't gonna be able to bury you like they buried your sister." He said, "Because they're not gonna be able to find you."
Katrina Carmichael, who says she's witnessed violence a number of times in her life, is now the CEO and founder of Sada's House, a nonprofit that supports domestic violence victims.
So not only was I a child witness to domestic violence, then I lost my sister to domestic violence. Then I became a victim of domestic violence.
Standing behind them, a number of law enforcement officials, including U.S. Attorney Don Eisen and Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy.
No matter how much we work and how much we care for our victims of crime, at the end of the day, we go home and they have to live with whatever happened with them for the rest of their lives. If they're sexually assaulted, they need to live with that pain and that tragedy. If a loved one is murdered, they have to live with that pain and that tragedy.
They say while defendants' rights are critical, so are victims' rights, which is why Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel says it's critical that law enforcement takes a victim-centered approach in their work.
It takes so much courage to come forward and to report an assault. And those who do are some of our most vulnerable individuals in the judicial system. And because of that, we must do everything we can to continue to protect and empower victims of these unspeakable crimes.
The support for victims will continue this weekend with a healing vigil in Detroit at Gordon Park. This vigil is a part of a nationwide push across multiple cities for more legislation for victims' rights. You can find more information about the Detroit event at WXYZ.com. For 7 Action News, I'm Whitney Burney.
All right, Whitney, thank you.